ஆமா. இது ஜோக்கா இருந்ததா? கஷ்டம் தான். ஐயோ. Good evening, candidates. This is guidance for Federal Bank, probationary officer, recruitment, and why I came online now, because whenever I conducted mock interview for candidates, I find majority of them have not prepared fully about various topics which I have been suggesting for the last over nearly 1 month. First of all, you must be prepared to answer questions about yourself, about your degree, about your college, about your family, about your native place. What is the profession followed in your native place? All these details you must prepare, you must ask questions yourself and prepare the answers for them. You should also be able to talk about your father, siblings, and all that. Simple question. So, about that, you be ready. And sometimes they will ask questions relating to your degree subject, especially for candidates who have studied BCom, MCom, MBA finance, MBA marketing. For them, they will have a lot of questions connecting with banking, covering basic facts about your subject. See, for example, commerce students, whenever I ask them very simple questions like balance sheet, trial balance, depreciation, then three rules of bookkeeping, they are not able to tell properly. Please prepare seriously. That's one. Number Next point is I have already given you a set of materials. Out of them, there is at least one material you must go through, the guidely material. Please go through that material. And whenever I ask questions that are given therein also, people are not able to answer properly. For example, what is banking? Banking means accepting deposits from the public and making advances to others. And questions like what are the ways by which banks make income, see, these are given therein in that material. We have also discussed in these sessions, but I do not know why people are not able to come out with the answers first. And then if they ask questions relating to banking, it can be related to, say, bank branch, then deposits, advances, then insurance policies, lockers, jewel loan, pledge, hypothecation, mortgage, etc. Then there can be simple questions on debit card, credit card, IFSC code, MICR code. Please be ready about answering all these questions. And apart from this, I have already suggested you to go through the website of Federal Bank and from there study the glossary terms they are given. Some of the terms are really good ones. You can go through and get to know, like, say, demand draft, then NEFT, electronic funds transfer. These things are given. A lot of things are there. Please go through them. Try to memorize and get to know the answers for the explanation. They are what they are telling. For example, they are given for either or survivor account, joint account, and all that. So please go through that. And if you get some doubts, you can ask me also. But there should not be any doubts because they are given in simple language. Please go through that. Then, apart from that, the basic important questions like, say, KYC norms, why KYC norms, anti money laundering or money laundering, this type of questions are a must. Then, what qualities are required for succeed as a bank officer? Must. Then, what do you know about Federal Bank? I have been telling you to go through Federal Bank website thoroughly. Many of you are not reading it properly. I have also posted one video about that. Please listen to that. So you must know about Federal Bank. At least you must be able to talk about 1 minute on Federal Bank. Total deposits, total advances. Don't tell about the history of Federal Bank and all. Just tell the founder of name of the founder of the Federal Bank. So this way you can manage that. And apart from that, the current affairs is another important thing for which I have provided the current affairs snippets from November in our Telegram group. In our Telegram group. So why should you have problem? You can always go through that. Go through the points relating to banking, business, and economy thoroughly. Prepare yourself about that, then that should be very easy for you. For freshers, they may ask you questions regarding your project and all that, especially engineering students. And invariably, engineering students will be asked, why are you coming to banking? I have already posted a video on that, namely, banking offers very good scope for career growth. It gives you good promotion opportunities and you get lot of job satisfaction, and it is a growing concern, and job security is also more or less present in our banking system. So I would like to come to banking system. Likewise, you can answer that question. So these are some of the points I thought I should share with you. And at least when people are having interview on 29th, please go through the newspaper of your place from at least 26, 27, 28, 29, and frame five points on five economic news you have read in newspapers, five news you have read about your district or state in your newspapers, then five important news you have read about politics of India or your own state. Likewise, make out some 25 points covering all the aspects. Tell five important business news. So prepare on that. Then automatically you will be able to manage any type of interviews they conduct in the class. Thank you so much. Best wishes.